Hello friends, today we are making this beautiful lace bookmark. It's a step-by-step beginner-friendly tutorial. You can make bracelet and headband as well. It's a nice and easy. I hope you will like it. So let's start the video. I have 2.5 mm hook size. First we will make slip knot. And chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 4 and make slip stitch in first chain. To make a ring. Now chain 1 and make 6 single crochet in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 single crochet in the ring. Again chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and chain 4 and to make last single crochet in this ring and create another ring. Turn your work and again make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 single crochet. Now chain 4, chain 4 and make last single crochet in the ring and create another one. Turn your work and make 6 single crochet in this ring. Again 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 single crochet, chain 4 again, last single crochet in this ring. Create another one. Turn your work and make 6 single crochet again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 single crochet, chain 4 and make a last single crochet in the ring, turn your work, 6 single crochet, then chain 4, the last single crochet, and the pattern start to take its shape, and it looks the same from the both sides. We'll make one more time, 6 single crochet, single crochet in the ring, chain 4, and make last single crochet to create a ring. Then turn your work and start to make 6 single crochet around, and make as long as you need according to your book size. Follow the same steps. I have completed according to my book size. It looks so pretty. It will be around 9.5 inches and 24 or 25 centimeter. You can crochet it according to your book size. Now this is the last one for me, and make last single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the last one for me. If you want to make a headband, bracelet, so you just need to work on chain according to your head size. It will be perfect, I think, for the headband size. You just need to create chains like this. Make a long chain according to your head size, and at this side as well tie the yarn. Make a chains from the both sides, and you can have a nice and beautiful headband. Or that you can make a friendship bracelet as well if you like. This is for the headband, but now we are making bookmark. Chain 1, tight your yarn, and chain 1 and lock. Cut the extra. Pull your yarn like this to give it a nice and clean end. Cut the extra, and this is the end of it. And from this side, now we will make tassels for the end. Take your yarn, take a little longer from this side, maybe we need it for the end. Make slip knot and make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Make 20 chains. Pull your yarn from this side as well, cut the yarn and make 3 or 4 these chain lines. I have made 3 chain lines for the tassels we will make for the end. This is our first 4 chains. We will pull through it like this. This one belongs to this one. Now tighten a knot in the end and bring it together. For making tassels, I'm using the beads. It is around 1 centimeter. You can use anything you like. If your yarn is thick, then you will do this one by one. I think it will go through like in the end. Yeah. Give it another knot here in the end like this, and cut your yarn. Give it a nice and tight knot. And this is the tassels. You can make same as it is, or you can make a one long, one short, one long, like one is a 20 chains, one is 30 chains. You can create your own ideas. You can make it headband, bracelet, or the bookmark. I hope you like it. If you like it, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Visit my playlist crochet tutorials. Till the next video, bye.